Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome back if you're new here. My name is Bianca, and today I am going into Knoxville to go to several different places to do several different chores. Couldn't really sleep last night, so I made a list of direction links of all the places that I need to go today. First, I need to go to this park where I can A, use the bathroom, and B, dump my water, and then I can go get water. And then there's two different options for thrift stores because I need utensils. Ew, my nails. So I figured I'd just go there and get one or two more forks and spoons because I seem to run out constantly. And then I need to go to Target because Target is the only place that has the stuff for my hair and something else I don't remember at the moment. And then Starbucks. I always try to look for local coffee shops, but a lot of places don't have outside seating, and obviously because of diesel I need outside seating, but not only outside seating, I need outside seating with an outlet. But I couldn't find anything except Starbucks, which, you know, fine, but lame. I have to finish editing and upload my South Korea vlog for today, and then I have a photography client who wants expedited photos. There's 3 different photo shoots and she wants them by tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna spend most of the day at Starbucks. I will probably also stealth camp in the city so I can just rinse and repeat tomorrow. That's what we're gonna do.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow.
First stop is done. Now I am going to a gas station to fill up my water.
Be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live, it's your life, rocks are meant to.
The water is right next to the air pump and someone's there. I don't need gas right now, but I might as well just like top off, you know, while I'm waiting. Oh. Well, that was exciting. Okay, now we are going to thrift tour, which is 14 minutes away. You want to go here? You thirsty? Why do you look at me like that? I don't know what you want. What do you want?
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
It's not that simple.
What?
There are so many sprinters here. Are all my friends here? They only had utensils in packs, and I don't want to buy packs. I want like 1 or 2 spoons and forks. That's it. There's another thrift store close by, so I'm gonna check there. Very unfortunate. It was kind of like the same thing where they were all packaged together. I know that Walmart sells them separately. There is one more place that I want to stop before going to Starbucks and getting to work. I probably shouldn't go to the next location, but there's no way that I cannot. So you'll see. I could spend a million years in there. They didn't only have used books, they did have some new ones. Not all of the books were discounted, and some not even that much. While I did want things, I was reserved. I got an omnibus of Dragon Ball. This was more of a novelty buy. I grew up watching Dragon Ball with my dad. I have not kept up with what's been happening recently. I do have a Vegeta tattoo, so I just thought it would be really cool to own the classics. And then I also got Death Note short stories manga. I love Death Note, and they had the black omnibuses there, and they were $21. But I've never seen this. Is that supposed to be Light Yagami? I don't think so. That doesn't look like Light. I don't know who that is. There's Light Yagami. Yeah, so I got this. And then the second book just came out, to Cassandra Clare's Sword Catcher. This is one of the examples where it wasn't discounted. It was $22, which I know is insane. But this is a Barnes & Noble exclusive, and it does have a poster. I don't know who this is. I've been hearing really good things about this. I think it's a series. I don't know if it's a duology or like a complete series, but this is the first one. The second one just came out. So I saw this there, and I was like, cool. She has a million other backlist books, but they're too overwhelming. I don't even want to deal with it. So I'm like, okay, let's start with her new one. I've heard good things, so that's what I got. Now to be a responsible adult and get to Starbucks so I can work. I got an iced lavender oat milk matcha. It's so good. His backpack extends. It is 6:30. I'm still here. I actually just ordered a hot latte because it is starting to get a little chilly. I might cease operations at 7. I just really have to get this done though. Ugh, this sucks. So annoying. I might move. No, but I need the outlet. You barking? What are you doing? Why are you so slow, Starbucks? Why? Literally 9 o'clock. We just finished. I have been sitting at Starbucks for like 8 hours editing videos and photos. It is insane. There's a Cracker Barrel that is down that way, and I think I'm gonna stay there tonight because I am gonna need the internet again tomorrow. I have 3 restaurants to edit and I only edited 1. So I have to do the other 2 by tomorrow, and tomorrow it's supposed to be like pretty chilly. So I will probably try to run to the library and upload everything, because this Starbucks killing me. It took over an hour for 18 photos. And my YouTube video took almost 2 hours. I'm also thinking about possibly going to the gym tomorrow morning. There's a crunch here. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna go to Target. I have to get hair stuff, the razor for my head. They only sell like the cartridges at Target. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Crunch tomorrow, so then I can shower and shave my head, and I just feel some type of way. So what a long day. It's because I went to the bookstore. I definitely didn't have to do that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're all good. Go pee pee. Finally, I was gonna say he hasn't pooped all day. I have misplaced my debit card. Don't know where that is. To be honest, my entire car is a mess, which is crazy because I definitely cleaned it up before I left the spot earlier today. Here is my Target haul. What I was looking for specifically are the replacement cartridges for my little shaver thing. And they had like to repurchase like the whole thing, but they didn't have the cartridges there, which was really annoying. So I just got these. I actually have 3 Holy Grail hair products. Couldn't find the 3rd one, so I just got these 2. This stuff is my crack. It's granola butter. Peanut butter is fine for me, but this stuff is just, I can only ever find it at Target, and this is so good. I tried to look for sardines for Diesel, but I didn't find any. So I just got him these little packs. Okay, so there is a Cracker Barrel 13 minutes away, and that's where we're gonna sleep for the night. Oh, this is Cracker Barrel. Neighborly reminder, lock your cars. Okay. My train of thought is I want to be as far away from the restaurant as possible, because there was one time I didn't realize where I was, and then I woke up and there was just cars all around me, and it was startling. Road noise doesn't bother me. Yeah, this is gonna be fine. I'm gonna get the car ready for sleeps as discreetly as possible. So don't ask me how, but I lost a window cover. I mean, like, there's not many places I can go. Like, I looked all around the bed, looked in the front, looked any little crevice where it could have fallen. I can't find it. And now I feel weird, like, just having my window open like that. That is so crazy. You guys, I found it. That was so stressful. But anyways, I found it. We're here. I feel kind of exposed. That is it from me today. It has been a long day. I just took half of an allergy pill, so hopefully that'll put me to sleep, because I didn't get any sleep yesterday. And then I've just been working all day today, so hopefully I can rest up a little bit. And then in the morning, I'll hit the gym and work. I can't complain, right? I'm making money, but so much. That's the thing. Like, things are never spaced out to where I can handle it. It's always like, here's all these things that you got to do right now. And then I get stressed out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.